The next graph we're constructing is a dot plot. 15 students were asked how many text messages they had sent on a given day for 1 hour only. The following raw data is based on their answers. Right, you're seeing that raw data vocabulary again. Remember, raw data is unorganized data that was collected. So we have the data here. This is our raw data. Use the data set to create a dot plot. To create a dot plot, place a dot above the number's position on the number line. If the number repeats, stack them above one another. So here are the first two dots and they are done for you. This is a simple number line. Notice the number line starts at 0 and ends at 12. The number lines can start and end at any value. The reason this one starts at 0 is because the smallest data set is 0 and the biggest data set is 11. So we chose to end it at 12. We see that the raw data is unorganized. So I'm going to start crossing out my values. Remember to do it gently so that you are still able to see the number in case you need to come back and fix something. So the first 5 is done for me. Here's this 5. The second 5 is done for me. 11. So we look for 11 on the number line and we're going to place a dot right above the 11. 6. 5. Here comes another 5. Remember, the instructions are to stack them above one another if they are repeated. 3, 0, 9, another 9, 5, 7, 8, 0, this one's stacked, 9, and 6. Here we have it. I'm going to remind you that this little graph here is called a dot plot. And it's simple. All it has is a bunch of dots stacked up on one another. One of the things that you should relate this to is kind of like a bar graph. You see the height of the dots and it shows you which one has more. So for example, the 5 I see has the most. Let's look at those questions. How many dots did you plot total? Ooh, I actually didn't remind you to check if we had all our data. So remember to check. So I'm going to take a step back and I'm going to check to see if I missed anything. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 dots. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 data points. So I know that I didn't miss anything. Now I'm ready to go back to my question. It says, A, how many dots did you plot total? We had 15 dots total. How many students said they texted 5 times in that 1 hour? So for example, 2 students said they texted 0 text in that hour. Let's take a look at the actual question. It says 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students said they texted 5 times in that 1 hour. Great. I hope you're feeling confident with a dot plot. And we have a C and D for you to try.